Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to fix Keep Loading problem on Messenger. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. There are 3 ways to solve this issue. The first thing to do is to turn off your Wi-Fi for a few seconds. Then turn it on. Now the second step is to go to Settings. Tap on VPN. If you are connected to any VPN, disconnect it. Now the last thing to do is to open App Store. Then search for Messenger. If there is an update, tap on Update. But if there is no update, then delete it and reinstall it. Hopefully, this will solve your issue. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.